Okay, be nice. This is my first taco thing, so this is what you need. So I've got cheese and everything else. So the next thing I do is cut up all the onions. And then the tomatoes. And then put them in a bowl, and then the cucumbers. I had cucumbers for the first time in this one. That's next one. Okay. This is me recording my first ever hyperlapse of cooking the tacos. I need a tripod, by the way, so fingers crossed I can get one next Monday. I have a bit of a coffee break, so just have to wait until it's fully cooked. Here I am getting my liquid ready for the taco mix. So I cut the taco mix, put it in a bowl, mix up the water, and then I pour it in. I had to take out a little bit of liquid because this is what it looks like here, and this is when it's finished. So I'm putting the cheese, the lettuce, the cucumber, the tomatoes. And here's me putting all the meat in the bowls. I need a bigger bowl, bigger pot for the next one. Putting the meat down. And then this is how I make my wraps. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.